So guys, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am recreating a Google pic which was shown on the screen. And the best part of the video is that I am drawing sketches and portraits which I'm bad at. Like in lockdown I tried to increase my skills, so I thought of why not to draw portraits, practice portraits and sketches, because I am not good at them at all and it's very difficult for me to do that. So I started with the hairline and then the face, but then I realized that I should not make the face first. First, I should make the features of the face, so I erased that and started drawing the eyebrows. Now, I first drew the shape of the eyebrow and then started stroking something like this. Now, usually what we do is we just color the eyebrow with the help of a pencil, but that's a wrong practice. We should stroke the eyebrows like the hairs. After doing it, I merged it with my hands and again drew strokes and again just merged with the hand, and then erased off the extra pencil which was coming out of the eyebrow pencil marks. I erased with the help of the eraser, and then I started drawing the eyes, because the eyes were a very prominent feature of the girl. So I then started drawing the eyes. So I first drew the outline of the eye and the crease and then the eyeball. Now basically I was drawing the outline only, shading would be done later. So after I drew the outline, I started coloring the pupil of the eye, and then I started shading the eyeball. So first of all, what I did was I started shading the upper part of the eyeball and then merged it with the help of a earbud. So I took a earbud and then merged it something like this, and like this it gave a really good effect. And then I merged it well, and then I took a pencil. I realized that in the picture the outlines of the eyeball or the eye were very dark, so then I started drawing the outline of the eyeball. So I drew a dark outline of it, something like this, and it was looking really good for me, because I'm totally a beginner in this portrait. I'm not even a beginner, I've just started it. So I then darkened the pupil too, and then I darkened the crease, something like this. Means I started applying eyeliner to the girl. So I was doing something like this. Then whatever I was doing, I was merging it with the help of the bud. It gave a really good effect. Then I realized that the eye I made was a little bit big, so I shortened it and then darkened it. I was applying kajal to it, and then I darkened it and merged it with the help of the bud. Now this is a great way of sketching and using a bud and merging it. I just loved it. So then I gave a finishing look to the eye. Then I started drawing the eyelashes, which was a very difficult task for me. I was erasing, I was making, I was erasing, I was making. Very difficult. I don't know why it was, but it was really difficult. So actually, I was turning up the the eyelashes to straight lines. I couldn't just draw those natural ones, but I somehow managed and made it. Then I also made the wing of the girl. I was again erasing these eyelashes, because I was realizing that I could do better, so I did that. Then I also darkened those eyelashes. And I was darkening them and merging with the bud. And similarly, I also made the other eye. Now other eye was difficult for me, because I thought that I was making the eye from a different angle, because actually the eye was covered with her hairs. So I found it a bit difficult, but I did it in one try. So that was a good thing for me. And the same steps I was following as I told in the first eye. So then I completed the eye and the eyelashes too, and then I had to do with the nose. So then I started doing the nose, and firstly I turned up into a pakoda, but then I somehow managed, and means in a 2 or 3 tries I did that. So I did that in 2 or 3 tries. I made the nose and then created a shadow of the nose and merged it with the help of a bud, like this. And then I rubbed the second one which I created the shadow because I thought it was not looking good. So I went with the simple one. Then I started drawing the lips. Now lips were quite easy for me. I made in the not in the first attempt because I made a little bit bigger lips. So I probably made in the second or third attempt. But I thought that they were quite easy. So I did the lips. I then just gave a shading effect, a very simple one, and was merging with the help of the bud. And then I started doing the hairs. But then I thought to first go with the outline of the face. So outline of the face, I turned up with something else, but then again rubbed and was trying. So I thought that the face was looking chubby, so I just drew some hairs on the other side of the face too, something like this, and I was merging like this with the help of the bud. But then I realized it was difficult to do with the bud, so I started merging it with my fingers only. So then I started shading the hairs because I already drew them, and then I started shading the hairs. So I was just moving the pencil randomly, and after moving the pencil randomly I started merging with my finger, and it was quite easy, I thought. Also, yeah, but I could realize that the picture was not turning same as of the portrait, but I couldn't do anything because I was like that in drawing portraits and sketching and all that work. But I tried my best, guys. So if you're liking the video, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please show support. It's my channel. It's a new channel, and I want you guys to like and subscribe to my video. So this was the overall sketch, but when I compared to the phone one, it was quite difficult. But okay, that's it.